Hi guys, welcome back to Asian Home Kitchen. Today we're making Thai noodle. We call radna in Thailand. It's a rice noodle with chicken sauce. So today we're going to start to make rice noodle. Fat rice noodle. Delicious, smooth, you will love it. Let's get started. So you need a half cup of rice flour and a half cup of tapioca flour. 2 cups of room temperature water. Add a pinch of salt, then pour water into the bowl, but add a little bit at a time, so that the flour is worked well. Okay, it's good to go right now. So you need a steamer to steam it. So now my steamer is ready. I'm gonna add the batter, but give it a stir before you add it to the plate. Then put it on, depending on how much thicker you like. Cook it about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, once it's time up, take the lid off, take it out, let it cool down, put another plate in. Stir the batter. Don't forget it, okay? Put into the plate. Move it around. Coat the lid. So we're gonna do the same things until the batter is gone. Okay, let's see the first one. Before we remove it, brush cooking oil on a cutting board. Also brush on the noodle as well. And then gently remove the noodle from the plate. It might tear a little bit, but it's still okay, alright? And then brush some more oil on top of it. Let's do another one. Take it out, put the plate back in. You can brush a little oil if you worry that it will stick on your plate. Brush oil on, but you have to do after it cool down, alright? Remove it. Place on top the first one. Alright, after we just finished from steaming, now brush cooking oil on a knife. I know it's too much oil, but that's what we do. Okay, I'm gonna cut about 1 inch. This size is better to make radna. However, you can cut any size you want. Then separate them. And then you would see a smooth and tender fat noodles. Okay, I'm gonna cut another side to keep for cook something else. Okay, to make Thai radna, we're going to toast noodle with black soy sauce. So I'm gonna put a little of black soy sauce before we toast it on the pan, so that be easy to stir and the black soy sauce evenly in the noodles. And then set it aside. Okay, to marinate chickens, I got a cup of chicken breast. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, a pinch of salt, a pinch of white pepper, a little of olive oil, a 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, and crack 1 egg. Mix it up and then marinate for an hour, or you can leave it overnight if you have a lot of time. To make gravy sauce, add 1 tablespoon and plus half teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce. Mix it up and set it aside. Alright, heat a pan, add cooking oil. Turn the heat on low-medium heat. Once the oil is hot, put the noodle into the pan and then toast it a little with cooking oil so that you get more flavor, but gently stir. Turn it over Toss another side. Okay, one more time. Here you are. To make every sauce, turn to high heat, add cooking oil, garlic in, toss a little bit, time to chicken in. Toss until the chicken is cooked but not too well done, okay? I like to add more protein, just 4 pieces of shrimp. However, you can add any protein you want. Add sauce in, toss it a little with sauce, then pour pork broth into the pan. If you want to know how to make the broth, I write it down in description below. Add a cup of snap pea and a cup of carrots first. When it simmers, add a half cup of baby corn, a cup of store mushroom. When all of vegetables get soft, add cornstarch in. Then mix it well. Finally, add a little white pepper if you like. Then you're good to go. To serving, put the noodles into the bowl, then sauce in. That's it. Enjoy your meal. I hope you enjoy with your family. Thank you for watching my video. Like my dish, don't forget to thumbs up to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!